Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to our English speaking zone, which is conducted by our honorable teacher MD Mazharul Islam. So at first I'd like to thank our teacher for giving me this platform and build up my confidence. So my full name is MD Mahmudul Hassan Dil, but you can call me with a nickname, that's Dil. I'm in grade 9, student of Goffergaon Islamic Government High School. I am from a village called Shailtia, but living in Goffergaon for my educational purposes. My hobbies are doing exercises, running, and my dream is to be an fluent speaker in the future by taking an IELTS exam. And after that, it would totally depend on my situation. What would I be? So today's session, today is Friday, and we know our teacher conducted a session, online session in Friday. So on the behalf of our teacher, he is not here. He lives in Manashing, and he's not present here. So the students are conducting this session. Firstly, I'd like to discuss about my topic, and if anybody wants, they can come and make their topic discussions. So I like to describe a newspaper, the Daily Star. Here you see. It might not be clear because the quality of camera, but it is the newspaper of the Daily Star. And here are on the first page, you will see that get ready for in the first page you will see an OTT and Digital Content Award of 2023. The Daily Star got it, and you will see some categories where they got the prize in best actor, male, female, best lyrics, and critic choice, individuals, contents, and more. It was released between 1st January 2023 to December 1st 2023. The viewers nominated this. The viewers nominated the Daily Star OTT and Digital Content Award. The viewers nominated the Daily Star to be the most favorite OTT and digital content for the award. So if you move to the next page, here you will see an organization and institution. They are talking about why should you upskill. From Karen is the name of the organization. So here they are talking about skill development course. Speaking of skill development, one thing comes in my mind, that is the new curriculum of 2024. And you know, I'm in grade 9, student of Goffergaon Government High School, and our school teachers does not only focuses on our studies, also focuses on our skill development projects, and look after our extracurricular activities like doing debates, science project, doing social work in organizations and all. So here the skill development course for you are selected, that is Everyday English, Emerging Leadership, Corporate Sales as Master Covers, Project, Microsoft Excel for professionals, Territory Sales Management, Product Management, Fundamental Career Readiness Program. And if you want, then you can contact to this session. I will give the link on the description, and you will see. So on the first thing of skill development course, that is Everyday English, and the second is leadership. Here in the Everyday English, I'm saying that and being proud that I am also connected with such people, such teachers that help me, like MD Mazharul Islam. He has conducted this session, and we know on every Friday he conducted online language club. It is around 10 p.m. night Bangladeshi time. If you are free, you can go and watch, and you can also also join. It doesn't matter you are a newbie, you are new in learning, you don't know how to speak in English, you can join. So it will really help you. I will be there if you want. Then you can contact me in the comment box and share your feelings if you want or not. So let's move to the second section, that is emerging leadership. And emerging leadership, what does mean emerging leadership? I think in my point of view, every student have to be productive, have to be responsible, have to be leadership vibe on their own. Because if I am conducting this session, suppose I am the teacher and I am conducting this session, everybody should know, everybody should listen my words. Why should I use listen? Because listening, they're paying the most attention to me. They have to focus on what the teacher, what the leader is talking about. So they are also, for the organization is also focusing on the leadership. So there is, you can find IELTS must course. I have talked about it, and Microsoft Excel for professionals. And this is a topic that I can say that Microsoft, if you know, in this 21st century, AI, English, AI, ICT and English, these three things, if you have in the future, you can't be restricted. It's said by our teacher and Majorul Islam, and we are seeing the results now. Like I have connected with so many countries, like 10 plus countries, like India, Myanmar, Malaysia, Vietnam, Mexico, America, and more Indonesia, yeah, and more Myanmar, yeah, Myanmar is said, but there are so many countries I've connected with. I can't even remember their names. So let's move to the next page. Here, on the next page, you will see a picture where Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus is shaking hands to a person, and the newspaper, the photographers are clicking the photo, and here if you see the article, it says Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus taking to organizers of the anti-discrimination student movement at the Chief Advisor office in the Capitalism Tezgaon yesterday. Okay, so that's a wonderful news. So let's move on the next part. It is, you can see the second page. It says news, and here you will find some news like describe this picture. Workers are really working so hard. I like to read it. Four workers precariously perched atop of a truck with overseas cargo as it travels North Bridge in Chattogram city. Two are seated on the roof of the cab, and two are atop of a towering stack of sacks. Atop of towering stack of sacks. Such a blatant disgrace of safety and traffic rules contribute to thousands of road fatality annually in Bangladesh. So here, if you go down, you can see the news where a picture, where a flag of Israel is going, and people are protesting, and it is the news about discriminators set a fire during an anti-government protest, calling for action to secure the release of Israeli hostage held captive in the Gaza Strip, in front of the Israeli Defense Ministry in Tel Aviv on Saturday. Okay, so that's the news. If we go to the third page, here you will find the news of Dhaka, capital of our country, and here is so many pollution. You know, in this time it's very scorching hot, and I am also sweating. So, and on the other hand, there is so much pollution happening. On that case, there is an article here. A dust cloud encompasses this road and vehicle pass through. The bus further adds to the woods, emitting thick black and smoke from its exhaust pipes. So, and let's move to the next page, which is named on the fourth page. And I like to hear also some news, issues of tenders and the times of the September 9th prayer time and issues of some tenders. And if you, yeah, I like to say that when you read newspaper, you'll find some people don't know how to read newspaper. It's so funny and also sad at the same point. Like you will find take this steps to be taken from page 3. So from page 3, from page 2, what does it mean? I'm on page 4, so let's see from page 3 what does it mean. If I go to the page number 3, you will find article and news about steps to be taken to bring Hasina back for trial, and there is news here, and after that here you will see page 4 column 3. In the newspaper, most news can't be written on a single page, so they have to part by part and move the next part on another page. So they have made it easy from saying that see fourth column. If you are in third page, you will find on the fourth page that it is written. So next news is from city, and here is tragedy that flood hit Maulavi Bazar faces fresh water crisis. So we know that our country is fighting with flood. So here I can also see a news about Sikh died as microbus hits auto rickshaw. So there is a lot of